Welcome my dear students. In last lecture we had completed acetylation of amine. So primary amine undergoes 2 times acetylation to form monoacetyl alkyl amine and diacetyl alkyl amine due to presence of 2 hydrogen atom on nitrogen atom of amine. While secondary amine undergoes 1 time acetylation to form the monoacetyl dialkyl amine due to presence of 1 hydrogen on nitrogen atom of amine. While tertiary amine do not undergoes acetylation due to absence of hydrogen on nitrogen atom of amine. Therefore, acetylation reaction is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Understood? Now today we will learn about reaction of amine with nitrous acid. This topic is also very much important as compared to board point of view as well as need point of view. So reaction of amine with nitrous acid. अमाइन की रिएक्शन बेटा नाइट्रस एसिड के साथ. मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला ऑफ नाइट्रस एसिड इज HNO2. HNO2 means it contains the 1 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen and 2 oxygen. Now this nitrous acid, it is an highly unstable compound. नाइट्रस एसिड बेटा हाईली अनस्टेबल कंपाउंड है and it is prepared by the reaction of sodium nitrite and HCl. Sodium nitrite formula NaNO2 and HCl hydrochloric acid. See here, when sodium nitrite react with HCl, so these hydrogen of HCl combine with NO2 to form the HNO2. HNO2 means nitrous acid, and these Na combine with Cl to form NaCl. So nitrous acid is highly unstable compound and it is prepared by the reaction of sodium nitrite and NaCl. Sodium nitrite react with HCl to form the nitrous acid along with NaCl. Now amine react differently with nitrous acid like acetylation. जैसा बेटे acetylation differently होता ना, similarly amine react differently with nitrous acid. Therefore this reaction means reaction with nitrous acid also used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. बेटा प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टर्शियरी अमाइन नाइट्रस एसिड के साथ डिफरेंटली रिएक्ट करता. प्राइमरी अमाइन फॉर्म डिफरेंट कंपाउंड विथ नाइट्रस एसिड, सेकेंडरी अमाइन फॉर्म डिफरेंट कंपाउंड विथ नाइट्रस एसिड एंड टर्शियरी अमाइन डू नॉट रिएक्ट विथ नाइट्रस एसिड बिकॉज टर्शियरी अमाइन डू नॉट कंटेन द हाइड्रोजन ऑन नाइट्रोजन एटम ऑफ अमाइन. So all the 3 amines react differently with nitrous acid. Therefore nitrous acid is used to distinguish between them. So primary, secondary and tertiary amine react differently with nitrous acid. Therefore this reaction is used to distinguish between them. Right? Now we will see reaction of primary amine with nitrous acid. Now when primary amine react with nitrous acid, then it form alcohol. जब बेटा प्राइमरी अमाइन रिएक्ट करता नाइट्रस एसिड के साथ तो बेटा वो फॉर्म करता अल्कोहल. Now see here how reaction is takes place. RNH2 it is primary amine. अब बेटा ये HNO2 it is nitrous acid. राइट बेटे नाइट्रस एसिड HNO2, उसको बेटा मैंने लिखा OH सिंगल बॉन्ड एंड डबल बॉन्ड O, सेम है ना दोनों. यस. सो व्हेन प्राइमरी अमाइन रिएक्ट विथ नाइट्रस एसिड at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. What is the temperature required for this reaction? 273 to 278 means 0 to 5. 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Means reaction is carried out in cold condition. अब बेटा ये एरो पे कंडीशन NaNO2 plus HCl for nitrous acid. So when primary amine react with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. Now these are combined with OH. ये बेटा R combined हुआ OH के साथ. They combines to form ROH. ROH means alcohol. Now these two hydrogen combine with oxygen to form H2O. Now these nitrogen combine with this nitrogen to form N2 gas. So R combine with OH to form ROH. ROH means alcohol. H2 combine with oxygen to form H2O. Nitrogen combine with this nitrogen to form N2 gas. So when primary amine react with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, then it form alcohol. Take the example of methylamine, CH3 single bond NH2. It is methylamine. IUPAC name methanamine or aminomethane. So when methylamine react with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. Now these CH3 combine with OH to form CH3OH. CH3OH means methyl alcohol. So it is methyl alcohol. IUPAC name methanol. Common name methyl alcohol. IUPAC name methanol. Now these two hydrogen combine with oxygen to form H2O. These nitrogen combine with nitrogen to form N2 gas. So when methylamine react with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, then it form methyl alcohol. Second example, ethylamine C2H5NH2. It is ethylamine. IUPAC name ethanamine or aminoethane. So when ethylamine react with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. Now this C2H5 combine with OH to form C2H5OH. C2H5OH means ethyl alcohol. These two hydrogen combine with oxygen to form H2O. Now these nitrogen combine with nitrogen to form N2 gas. So when ethylamine react with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, then it form ethyl alcohol. So in simple way, when primary amine react with nitrous acid, then it form alcohol. So primary amine react with nitrous acid to form the alcohol. Methylamine react with nitrous acid to form methyl alcohol. Ethylamine react with nitrous acid to form ethyl alcohol. Right? Now when aniline C6H5NH2. Now when aniline react with nitrous acid, जब बेटा एनिलीन रिएक्ट करता है बेटे किसके साथ, नाइट्रस एसिड के साथ, देन इट फॉर्म बेंजीन डाइअजोनियम क्लोराइड C6H5N2 पॉजिटिव Cl निगेटिव. C6H5N2 पॉजिटिव Cl निगेटिव. and this compound is called benzene diazonium chloride. राइट अब बेटा ये कंपाउंड आपको याद होगा, अपन ने स्टडी करे थे सैंडमियर रिएक्शन, गटरमन रिएक्शन में. सो व्हेन एनिलीन react with nitrous acid then it form benzene diazonium chloride. अब बेटे ये Cl यहां का यूज होता बेटा, राइट, नाइट्रोजन यहां का यूज होगा. सो इन दिस वे रिएक्शन ऑफ प्राइमरी अमाइन इज टेक्स प्लेस विथ नाइट्रस एसिड. इस तरह होगी बेटा प्राइमरी अमाइन की रिएक्शन नाइट्रस एसिड के साथ. So when primary amine react with nitrous acid then it form alcohol. Methyl amine react with nitrous acid to form methyl alcohol. Ethyl amine react with nitrous acid to form ethyl alcohol. And aniline react with nitrous acid to form benzene diazonium chloride. Now we will see reaction of nitrous acid with secondary amine. Now when secondary amine react with nitrous acid then it form dialkyl nitrosoamine. Dialkyl nitrosoamine. So primary amine with nitrous acid forms alcohol and secondary amine with nitrous acid forms dialkyl nitrosoamine. See how reaction is takes place here. RNHR. RNHR, it is secondary amine. Why it is called secondary amine? Because it contains the two alkyl group. So when secondary amine react with nitrous acid, बेटा these hydrogen combine with OH. HOH they combines to form H2O. Now what will left here? R single bond N R. From here N double bond O. They combines together to form R single bond N single bond R single bond N double bond O. These N double bond O group attached to nitrogen atom of amine. तो बेटा ये डबल बॉन्ड N डबल बॉन्ड O ग्रुप बेटा अटैच होगा नाइट्रोजन के साथ, राइट, एंड दिस कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड डाइअल्काइल नाइट्रोसोअमाइन. R सिंगल बॉन्ड N R सिंगल बॉन्ड N डबल बॉन्ड O डाइअल्काइल नाइट्रोसोअमाइन. So when secondary amine react with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, then it form dialkyl nitrosoamine. Take the example dimethylamine CH3NHCH3. CH3NHCH3, it is dimethylamine. IUPAC name dimethenamine या बेटा N-methyl methenamine. So when dimethylamine react with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, now these hydrogen combine with OH to form H2O. Now what will left? CH3NCH3. From here N double bond O, they combines to form CH3 single bond N, CH3 single bond N double bond O, and this compound is called dimethyl नाइट्रोसोअमाइन. इस कंपाउंड को बोलते हैं बेटा डाइमिथाइल नाइट्रोसोअमाइन. सो व्हेन डाइमिथाइलमाइन react with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, then it form dimethyl nitrosoamine. Now take the example of diethylamine. C2H5 single bond NHC2H5. It is diethylamine. IUPAC name diethanamine or N-ethyl ethanamine. So when diethylamine react with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. Now these OH combine with H to form H2O. H बेटा combine हुआ OH के साथ, ये बना बेटा H2O. Now what will left here? C2H5 and C2H5. From here N double bond O. So they combines to form C2H5, single bond N C2H5, single bond N double bond O. And this compound is called diethyl nitrosoamine. So in simple words, when secondary amine react with nitrous acid, then it form dialkyl nitrosoamine. Dimethylamine react with nitrous acid to form dimethyl nitrosoamine. Diethylamine react with nitrous acid to form diethyl nitrosoamine. And keep one important thing in your mind. These dialkyl nitrosoamine, it is an oily colored compound. डाइअल्काइल नाइट्रोसोअमाइन बेटा ऑयली कलर का कंपाउंड है एंड इट इज कार्सिनोजेनिक एजेंट. और ये बेटा कार्सिनोजेनिक एजेंट है. कार्सिनोजेनिक मीन्स इट कॉजेज द कैंसर. तो बेटा डाइअल्काइल नाइट्रोसोअमाइन की वजह से बेटा कैंसर होता, इसलिए बेटा डाइअल्काइल नाइट्रोसोअमाइन इट इज एन carcinogenic agent. So dialkyl nitrosoamine is an oily colored compound and it is acts as an carcinogenic agent. So it is the reaction of primary amine with nitrous acid and it is the reaction of secondary amine with nitrous acid. Now we will see what happened when tertiary amine react with nitrous acid. So reaction with tertiary amine. Tertiary amine means R3N. Why it is called tertiary amine? Because it contains the 3 alkyl group. So tertiary amine do not react with nitrous acid. Tertiary amine बेटा nitrous acid के साथ reaction नहीं करता. Why? Due to absence of hydrogen on nitrogen atom of amine. बेटे टर्शियरी अमाइन में नाइट्रोजन के साथ बेटा कोई हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट नहीं है. सो टर्शियरी अमाइन डू नॉट कंटेन हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑन नाइट्रोजन एटम ऑफ अमाइन. देयरफॉर टर्शियरी अमाइन डू नॉट रिएक्ट विथ नाइट्रस एसिड. So R3N tertiary amine, HNO2 nitrous acid. So no reaction will take place or no compound will form. तो बेटा यहां रिएक्शन नहीं होगी और कोई कंपाउंड फॉर्म नहीं होगा. Why? Because tertiary amine do not contain the hydrogen atom on nitrogen atom of amine. Example CH3 taken thrice N, it is trimethylamine plus HNO2 nitrous acid. So when trimethylamine react with nitrous acid, no reaction will take place or no compound will form. So CH3 taken thrice N, it is trimethylamine. HNO2 it is nitrous acid. So when trimethylamine react with nitrous acid, no reaction will take place or no compound will form. Why? Because nitrous in this tertiary amine, nitrogen atom do not contain any hydrogen. So primary amine react with nitrous acid to form alcohol. secondary amine react with nitrous acid to form dialkyl nitrosoamine, and tertiary amine do not react with nitrous acid. तो बेटा तीनों अमाइन की रिएक्शन डिफरेंट हो रही ना. सो ऑल दीज थ्री अमाइन react differently with nitrous acid. Therefore, this nitrous acid is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Okay? Any difficulty up to here? Today we will stop here. In next period we will see another property of amine.